Welcome to my channel. I'm on YouTube. Who would have ever thought? I guess it's not official until I say, my name is Gene Sizemore. I'm a freelance photographer based in Northern Virginia, and this is my YouTube channel. Now I know what you might be thinking. Does the internet really need another YouTube channel on photography? So here's the thing. Every photographer has their own style, their own skill set, and their own process. And I just want to share mine and share my journey through this art form that I've been passionate about for over 30 years. So in this channel, I'll be sharing my ideas on photography, editing, and all the skills and gear that come together to make all that possible. What I think will make this channel really fun is that I have a really broad range of photography interests. In other words, I love automobile photography, I love portraits, I love macro photography, long exposures, black and white, and I even have fun doing composites. I'm proud to finally launch my YouTube channel. I've been talking about it for long enough. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the alert bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. And if there's something in particular that you're interested in and you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's go discover, create, and share together. I will see you in the next video.